So a year ago, for me, everything changed. As someone who's worked in crypto for a long time, I felt like there was a moment where this industry was starting to mature, and it was starting to, the world of finance was starting to wake up to what was possible with a lot of the tools that were now available, to a point where a company like Stripe would acquire a company like Bridge for that reason. But the problem that I think we've been solving for the past year, and the business and how it's matured and evolved over time, as it's really started from this go-to-market consultancy into a podcast, into now really a full-scale media and data organization called Stablecoins. It's all been the same, is to help the world navigate this conversation, help industry professionals, people working in finance, founders, teams who are building their businesses using these rails, make sense of all the different pieces and all the different components that are used to build and make things in this world happen. Because there's a ton of confusion, there's a ton of jargon, there's new companies and startups coming to market all the time. And so covering this space for the past year has been extremely life-giving. We've talked to dozens and dozens of incredible founders. We've served and worked with teams like M0 and Dakota and CoinFlow, Borderless, Paxos, Rain, the list goes on. Companies that have either worked with us as media sponsors and partners to help them tell their stories better, or clients directly helping use our content systems and media systems to help them tell their stories. And it's just been an extremely amazing year. It's been difficult, it's been uncertain, but I look back on walking here and thinking back on how much has happened, and I'm extremely humbled by it all. It feels like, in some ways it feels like we're in the first inning of a very big story for our company, but in other ways it feels like we're closing a really meaningful chapter of beginning, a very foundational chapter for us. So it's really cool to be back here and think through that.